Hello, I will show you here the Brembo brake caliper kit which fits on BMW E36, E46, Z3 and Z4. It consists of two original Brembo brake calipers, brand new, manufactured in 2021. A left one and a right one. Two steel mounting brackets, zinc coated, with 4 screws to bolt it onto the knuckle, and 4 screws to bolt the brake caliper to the mounting bracket. And last but not least, these springs here, the retainer springs, to install later the brake pad. This brake kit must be used with brake pads like these ones. These ones, for example, are from Brembo. There are certain other ones, but in the end it all comes to that these brake pads must fit into that caliper, and there are a bunch of cars which are using all more or less the same caliper and all are using the same brake pads, sometimes from different manufacturers. And as well as important is the brake disc. The brake disc is in this case, and it must have the same dimension from the BMW E90 M3. It's a 360 millimeter brake disc in diameter and 30 millimeters in thickness. The combination of these adapters with these brake calipers and this brake disc is suitable for the E36, E46, the Z3 and Z4. It will fit all of them except of the M models. Now I will show you how the brake caliper kit gets installed on an E36 front knuckle. Now we install the adapter to the knuckle. Now I will install the caliper to the mounting bracket. As you can see, the caliper moves freely on the brake disc. Now I will install the brake pads into the caliper. This is where the pins come. And usually this spring comes in between here, but I will not install it because it's quite hard to do that. Just contact me and I can hook up you with such a caliper kit.